Next, we will explain the tutorial for debugging the motion-sensing rock climbing system. First, let's connect the hardware devices. This is the motion sensor. Connect the motion sensor to the computer using the USB optical fiber cable. Afterwards, you will see 3 compressed files. Extract the 3 compressed files into a folder. After extraction, first install the SDK driver for the motion sensor. After installation, check the device manager. Right-click on Manage on the computer. Once the motion sensor is successfully connected, you will see the Connect driver plugin in the device manager. If Connect is not displayed here, it means the motion sensor was not successfully connected. Open the calibration program for the motion sensing rock climbing system. This calibration program requires registration. After opening it, the calibration program will indicate that unregistered features are limited. After installing the motion sensor, simply contact our sales team, and we will assist you remotely. After registration is completed, open the calibration program. Once opened, a window will appear displaying points A, B, C, and D. You need to align the red lines with the edges of the screen. If they are not fully aligned, adjust the motion sensors until they are. Once fully aligned, drag the 4 red line frames A, B, C, D. In the top left corner, check TUIO and the 4 options below. After completing the selection, exit the software. Open the rock climbing program. Switch to the third effect and touch the wall with your hands to create a touch point. If you touch the right side, but the recognition point appears on the left side, you need to modify the calibration program. If the recognition point appears at the touch location, the calibration is correct. Press Alt plus F4 to exit the game interface. Open the calibration program. Swap A and B here. C and D also need to be swapped. The red frames still need to align with the edges of the screen. After setting up, exit and save the program settings. Reopen the program. During the entire game operation, the calibration program will continue running in the background. Then open the rock climbing game program again. We can switch to the third game. If touching the wall creates a recognition point, the calibration is correct. Now create a shortcut to the desktop. Add both the calibration program and the interaction game to the startup items. Place them in the startup items of the administrator account. Check the Task Management System's startup items. Setup complete.